Hey, welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 tech stocks that I pretty much guarantee you don't know anything about. I was doing some research for another video and came across this really cool, interesting article with 4 tech stocks that frankly I wasn't even aware of. And I do quite a bit of investing in tech. These are really 4 really cool tech stocks, and what we're going to do in a minute, we're going to jump over to my desktop and I'm going to actually show you each of these tech stocks. We're going to read about them, and then we're going to go look at their fundamentals and go look at their charts and all that kind of stuff. But we're going to jump into that here in a minute. If you are brand new here and you don't really know who I am, my name's Austin, and I make videos every single day pretty much talking about different ways you can invest your money better in index funds, ETFs, mutual funds, as well as individual stocks, as well as personal finance videos, helping you just kind of do it better tomorrow. That's what I care about. I help you empower yourself to just make better decisions and make more money down the road. That's what I care about. So with all that said, we're going to go jump here in a minute. But before we do that, I want to give you a disclaimer up front. Not a stockbroker. This is videos for entertainment purposes only, and I'm here just to bring you the information. You do with it as you see fit. And also, please consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a like on this video if you would, because it greatly helps my channel out, as well as it helps me get my channel out, my videos out to more people so I can help more people. So I greatly appreciate that. So with that said, let's go take a look at these 4 tech stocks that are ripe and they're perfect. And I think that there might be ones that you might want to look at maybe adding into your portfolio. Let's go take a look. Okay, so as I was mentioning, found these 4 stocks. I found this article, and I was looking for some research for another video. So I wanted to make this real quick video. So what I've done is I've got the article. I was on NASDAQ.com, and I've got the articles highlighting these companies. So we're going to go through each company, and then we're going to go look at its stock price and look at kind of what's going on with it. Okay, so basically the first one of the 4 of these stocks is a company called Okta Inc. So obviously, being in tech, they're an IT service management company. They specialize in identity and access management solutions. Let's see, through its services, organizations can manage and secure their user authentication systems across digital ecosystems. Let's see. So basically, this is something. Okta stock has fallen by over 9% since it's announced its recent acquisition. So it was just recently acquired. Could this be a good time to invest? So when it was acquired, Okta signed a definitive agreement to acquire rival IAM company for $6.5 billion. Okay. To elaborate, Okta provides single sign-on access for employees across several enterprise cloud services. Okay. So this combined company, though I was reading earlier, this combined company is going to basically be one of the major players, and that the overall market could grow to 13.5 billion, and they're among Gartner's, which Gartner is one of the top the top kind of services company in this business. They are the ones that kind of rank these companies, things like that. So this could be an opportunity. Okay, so Okta closed the market today at 209.42, so it's down 3%. So let's take a look real quickly here. Let's see. It's been a while since I've looked at a stock market chart here on this particular one. So pretty decent volume. So looking at, year low, there was only year low was 88.67. Okay, year high was 294. So it's definitely off of its 294. Okay, so there you go. Let's look at a kind of a 3-month scenario. Again, it's dropped. It's dropped because I think because of this acquisition, things like that. So this could be one that the NASDAQ themselves are kind of coming out and saying, hey, this is actually pretty cool. So like, again, a 6-month kind of, before then it was on a nice uphill rise. So it's definitely dropped from looks like its all-time high up here was around 290, as again, we know that with the year high. Market cap of 27.48 billion. So let's see. This is a decent one. I think that this one could be, you might want to take a look at. I mean, again, this is probably not even on your radar. I mean, tech is such a big sector. This one wasn't really on my radar, to be quite honest with you. And I thought it was pretty interesting. So you might take a look at it, run it through your own qualifications. Again, I'm just here to bring you the information. Again, I thought this was kind of a cool little video I could make for you guys who are looking to invest in tech. And none of these were really on my radar. One of them was. I kind of knew about one of them. Okay, so let's move on. The second one is Micron Technology, another tech company making waves now. Could be Micron, excuse me. They're based in Idaho. They produce computer memory and data storage products, dynamic random access memory, RAM memory, flash memory, USB flash drives. To consumers, its offerings are marketed under the brand name Crucial Ballistics. Let's see, as most people have had to transition towards working from home, demand for digital memory storage hardware is on the rise. This absolutely is true. Obviously, I mean, it's crazy how much the demand for this stuff has just gone through the roof. This might be one that you definitely want to add in. See, on Tuesday of last week, Micron expanded its portable SSD portfolio to offer consumers more variety in terms of external storage hardware. It released 2 new products, a 4 terabyte portable SSD, 500 gigabyte portable SSD. So let's see, SSDs rate dated 5-6 times faster. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look real quickly at them. Okay, so traded today, ended today trading at 85.77, down 3.5%. So year low is 31.13. Year high is 95, so it's trading kind of on that higher end. But the reason this one made this list, obviously, is the demand for these chips, right? Everybody's starting to work from home. I don't think that's really going to change. This one could be one that you might want to look at. This is basically storage memory. You probably are familiar with semiconductor chips, obviously being very, very, very hot and in demand right now. I got a buddy who had his truck stolen and he needed to get a new one, and he couldn't get the truck because he literally there's a chip that Ford's waiting on that he can't get because the semiconductor is so backed up with demand, right? And so this is not a semiconductor play. This is a memory play, which I like. It's kind of an accessory. It's kind of an associated market, but it's not square in semiconductor. It's memory, which I really like what this one is. So this may be one that you might want to think about picking up and adding into your your portfolio, or at least run it through some due diligence of your own. Let me see if there's anything else I really want to talk about here. PE ratio is 33.6. We didn't look at that on Okta. PE ratio was negative 103. Again, run it through your own criteria, right? I'm just here to bring you the information, just kind of maybe open your eyes to maybe one little golden nugget. And by the way, I'll be bringing you more videos like this in the near future. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we did Micron. Shift4 Payments is the other one. It's a leading provider of integrated payment processing and tech solutions. The company delivers its services via omni-channel ecosystem. Let's see, a broad array of e-commerce enabling services. Shift4 Tech enables over 350 software providers access to the e-commerce, hospitality, and gaming industries, name a few. Let's see, I'm just reading this. Could be in a good position to make both use of current post-pandemic trends. Its e-commerce arm is a part of the booming online shopping industry. Obviously, that's going to continue to grow. On the other hand, its clients in the tourism sector would continue to gain momentum and move forward. With this in mind, it makes sense that Four Stocks has more than doubled since its June 20th IPO. Okay, so it just went public in June 20th of 2000. I'm sorry, June 2020. I apologize. Did a 9% jump in trading on the first day. They acquired VenueNext, a next generation mobile e-commerce, mobile commerce platform, point of sale. It's pretty cool. So now they have a mobile division as well. Let's see. So that's going to expand into growing markets, obviously mainly mobile payment processing. Let's see. So yeah, more consumer traffic after post-pandemic. Okay, so let's go look at Shift4 Payments. And by the way, guys, I haven't even looked at this. So what I like to do is when I do these videos, I haven't even seen this. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to see when I land here. So it traded today at $74.80, down 1.7. Let's see, PE ratio 724. Wow, okay. Let's see, what else? Year low is $30, year high is 83. Okay, let's look at a 1 year chart of this. So let's kind of see what we're looking at. Okay, so again, we're kind of, remember we just IPO'd. So now we're definitely on the rise. We may be dipping back down. That chart shows us that we might be dipping back down, might be a buy opportunity a little bit. This one could be one you might want to think about. Again, just on your radar, right? Run it through your own criteria and kind of feel. I like that it's obviously tech, it's payment processing. Frankly, out of the four right now, I really like probably Micron the most because of where they're at as far as in the market, their position, their memory. They're not semiconductor, but they're associated with that. They're going to continue to benefit from all things kind of related to people working from home more, things like that. So that one right now, in my opinion, is kind of the winner. for me. Okay, so let's look at the fourth one. The fourth one is Magna Chip, a semiconductor. There we go. It's not surprising. By the way, I didn't know that was what that was going to be. So following that, we have a South Korean semiconductor manufacturing company, Magna Chip. Let's see, they make analog and mixed signal semiconductors. Let's see, its key end markets include the communication, Internet of Things, consumer, industrial, automotive industries. This may be the company that my buddy was waiting on for his chip for his truck. He couldn't get it, so he ended up buying something else. For investors looking to bank on pent-up semiconductor demands, MX stock could be an attractive play, seeing as how it hit a new 7-year high during, this would be last week's trading session. It's going to be the case. So we know, we haven't even gone to look at it yet, we've hit a 7-year trading high. Let's see, their last major announcement was on February 18th. They revealed that it's commenced full-scale mass production of its high frame rate display drivers. Said chips will be employed in top-of-the-line 5G smartphones and quad HD displays. That's cool. Bigger piece of news comes from rumors suggesting the company's up for sale. Okay. Regarding this, Needham analyst has covered the news, saying that the company could be worth $41 to $46 should a deal take place. Let's take a look at what their stock is trading at. All right, so yeah, it's trading at $20, and look at that last paragraph, guys. Just for the video right there, that might have been the golden nugget for you. There's analysts that are coming out that are covering it. They may be up for sale. They're currently trading at about 21 bucks, and the company could be worth $41 to $46 out of this. So right now, year low is 631, year high 22.52. We've got an analyst saying, hey, they could go to 40.41. They might be up for sale. Let's see. Let's take a look at 1-year chart. 1-year chart shows absolutely, look at this rise here. So, nice little spike up, $13 right here in 2021, coming up, and right now to where we're at. So good. Okay, so guys, again, real quick video. I wanted to hammer this out for you guys. It's my goal, real simple, to basically bring you these videos, to do everything I can to help you figure out how you can make more money down the road through stock investing, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, you name it, as well as personal finance, just managing your money better. If you want to check out the bunch of videos on my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please smash that like button. It helps me with the channel, ranking the videos. It helps more people see my stuff, and I can help more people that way. So greatly appreciate it. Hope you do well. See you in the next video. Take care.